So it's time to get this old grill off of here. You're going to notice you have a couple push clips. You have one here and one located on the other side of the vehicle in the same area. And you're also going to have a 10mm headed bolt right here, and then of course one over there as well. We can start with however you want. I'm going to go with the bolts. Use my pocket screwdriver. You should be able to pull up on the center of these. Sometimes they get stuck. Lift it right up and out. Should look like that. Now that we have those out, you should be able to move this around a little bit. At this point, we're just going to lift straight up. If you were to look at these clips, you're going to see a little tab right where my pocket screwdriver is. You need to push in on that, and then you should be able to draw this clip down by pressing, and that's going to help unlock it for you. Remove that. Now it's time to get the badge off of here. To do that, you just turn it over, and you can see these little ears. You have one here and one there. You're going to push those. Once you do that, we're going to draw it away. This is just going to come scooping out. You can use a pocket screwdriver, or your thumbs, or whatever you can do. Just kind of press, lift. There it is. It's time to get the badge on this one. Start with the lower part, right in there, and then roll the top in. Give it a nice tug. That feels great. Now it's time to get the grill on here. Pay special attention to this area. That's where the piton on the bottom of the grill is going to slide into. Come right up and over it. And we're going to pay attention to those side pieces. You want to line them up and then press the grill down. There it is. That one clipped in. Do the same to the other side. Once that's in, you're going to grab your little push pin and connect these two pieces together. Let's grab those last couple bolts. This looks great.